What a thing when love turns to hate. What a thing when love turns into Detectives have asked Omar Coolmore to turn himself into police immediately, as a warrant has been prepared for his arrest and charge. Coolmore is wanted in connection with the murder of his wife, Simone Ann Whitson Walters, a taxi operator from Stillwell Road, St. Andrew, which was committed on Tuesday, January 2nd, 2018 at 3:57 p.m. along Stanley Terrace in Red Hills area of St. Andrew. So, as New Year coming in killing wife. Sources said the attack took place while Miss Coolmore, she was heading home in a taxi that was driven by Walters. Following intensive investigation by detectives from the Content Spring Police Station, Coolmore, along with others, have been identified as being allegedly involved as co-conspirators in the double murder. Wow. Police said 2 persons are already in custody in relation to the crime, and other suspects are being sought for questioning. Coolmore, who is a United States national, is being asked to report to the Content Spring Criminal Investigation Branch, CIB, the Major Investigation Division, or the Criminal Investigation Branch headquarters at 2 Oxford Road, Kingston 5. Coolmore was recently shot in a brazen gun attack at the premises which houses an office of an insurance company in New York. The car in which he and another person traveled to the complex was attacked by a lone gunman in a car parked and sprayed with bullets. However, Coolmore escaped with relatively minor injuries. What a way him lucky. Him wife dead, and dead in a car with the taxi driver, and he was off somewhere. He never get nothing. His wife dead. Somebody can spray the car when work, and him get with what a way him lucky. Him lucky like Chucky the blood clot. Anyway, video footage of the violent gun attack, which is perturbed to be of the killing of Coolmore and Walters, is circulating on social media, but the police have declined to comment on whether the footage is actually of the particular killing. So, they want him to turn himself in to the police in Jamaica. And quite honestly, I've seen this story going around on social media for a long time, and I didn't touch on it because I didn't have anything official or from any credible sources that said that he was wanted or wanted for question or any of that. But on social media, relatives of the wife said that he is actually responsible for killing her. Not only is he responsible for killing her, he's also responsible for killing his wife prior. So he had a wife prior, and he's also responsible for killing her also. So he's responsible for killing 2 women, allegedly. That's what they have saying on social media. I don't know how true, I don't know how accurate it is, but quite honestly, if that's the case, he needs to go to jail. I don't care what you and your spouse have, for you to go to an extent to actually hire a person to kill them. That shows how heartless and wicked you are. Like, enough woman there road, enough man there road, enough pum pum there road. Like, it's not that serious. Get a freaking divorce and move on. And move on with your life. Enough people don't want to move on because they don't want to start from scratch, and they don't want to have to start over with nothing at all because they build everything in a relationship. But that's how life goes. You win some, you lose some, and if you lose, you just take the high road and walk away. For you to go try killing your wife regardless of what she's done, regardless of what has happened in the marriage, is very distasteful and heartless, and you should get the full extent of the law if you're actually guilty. And if you're actually guilty for killing your first wife also, God, I don't know which part of hell you all live, but you deserve to go upon hell, upon earth, and that's prison. So comment in the comment section and tell me if you think he's actually really related to this case, or you think he was just one lucky man that way him wife dead and them try kill him and he just subsequently escaped coincidentally. Comment in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think about this story. I'm sure you see it circulating on social media. Tell me your opinions in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. And check out my previous videos, which are going to be here, and over here somewhere. And subscribe. You know, subscribe to your girl. Deuces.